Okay, no rusty bow arrow goes into the quiver of doom until it is tested. Hey, welcome to the Winter Wood Hall of Rusty Bow. We're going to work probably on an arrowhead today because Seth's Indonesian fighting weapon is still being worked on the sander and files and all that stuff. So we do something hopefully easy today. I'll try not to overcomplicate it, but we'll see. You never know. So stay tuned. Okay, for our arrowhead, we're going to start with the classic tire iron and drill bit. for that. Okay, so before I do file work on this Arrowhead, I want to show the obvious thing right there is there's a big delamination issue there. So as you can see, I lost a big chunk out of this, right there. And so I just do the file work deeper in. This is going to be even uglier than last week's. Yes, I did overcomplicate this one, but that's okay. This will make a fun Arrowhead. It'll just be different. Be unique, as they say, right? So we'll work it some more and see what we get. Okay, you can judge for yourself if this is beautiful or ugly. It's certainly different, but I think it'll fly okay. This is what you do when things don't go quite right, and you try to make the best out of it, right? Okay, as you can see, I have this thing clayed. And it's just going to be pretty much point and one side because that's what's left of this. So, we'll see how this turns out. I think this is going to be fairly fun. Okay, what to say about this? Well, it's an abject failure as far as forge welding goes, as is perfectly obvious. But the file work was fun, and it is pretty in a gruesome way, I think. How will it perform if it hits a post? God knows. I have arrows that have hit posts with and against the grain, and the arrowhead survived fine. Sometimes they break. This one, boy, I don't know if this would break or bend, frankly. But at this point, I don't care. I don't want to hit a post. I just want to throw it downfield, see how it flies as an actual arrowhead on a normal shaft, and be done with it. Okay, no rusty bow arrow goes into the quiver of doom until it is tested. Yeah, let's go look at that one. There it is, right there. So, right below the target. And again, I put barbs in something that I'm going to shoot into haystacks. And again. Okay, that one went. Huh. There it is. One more shot down the field. Well, it didn't hit the target. Let's go look. Through there. And there it is. Shot through everything. And now it's camouflaged. Let's shoot this one more time. Well, maybe another time after this. Well, that target, again, is the safest place to be right now. There we go. Okay, let's go for the target this time, okay? Let's see if we can get it. Now just above it. Alright. Well, I know where it hit. But, yeah, there it is, sticking out of the bail. Okay, let's put it in the target this time, maybe. Still to the left. All right, I see it. It is there. Let's get this back up, sort of. Okay. Okay, it is a fun arrow to shoot. Why? Oh, hell, I don't know. I'll shoot just about anything downrange. Well, that was a lot closer. Let's look. Where did it go? Well, wow. Huh. There it is. And by the angle, it turned because it hit on the left and wound up on the right of the target in the back. That was weird. You know, if I shoot this enough, statistically, I will hit the target at least once. Not this time. All right. There it is. Boop. I keep thinking I should call this JAWZ because it reminds me of a shark. What do you think? Well, this time I know it went to the right of the target. And yeah, it's down there. Seriously, I think it's going to be the final shot. Oh, let's go look at that. Well, I did not plan this. I wish I had. Bullseye. Oh yeah, push that one through. So I tested the arrow over at Bill's 25-yard range.
I don't want my face on there when I break this arrow.
Ah!
Oh, it flew good. It just took a little nosedive at the end.
All right, Bill's shot is whoop, just a little low. Whoop. Oh, Jesus. Hold on. Point survived. Go ahead. Ah, right. Pull her through.
This is where I've left off so far with Seth's Indonesian fighting weapon. More to do, but it's coming along pretty nicely, I think.
Well, that was a good way to end out the session. I wish I could say I planned that last shot, but I did not. And I'm glad the arrow seems to fly pretty well. I mean, as bad a job it is, as, forge welding, turned out to be a pretty good arrow as far as flying. So, in the hands of a better archer, fly even better. So, hope you had a good week. You stay well. Be good.